Hello and welcome. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of mortar. Whether you're a construction enthusiast or just curious about building materials, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and learn more about what makes mortar such an essential component in construction. Mortar is a workable paste used to bind building blocks such as stones, bricks, and concrete masonry units together. It fills and seals the irregular gaps between them and sometimes adds decorative colors or patterns to masonry walls. There are several types of mortar used in construction, including lime mortar, cement mortar, and gauged mortar. Each type has its own unique properties and uses. Let's take a closer look at what makes each of these types special and how they contribute to the durability and aesthetics of buildings. Mortar is used in various construction applications, such as laying bricks and stones, plastering walls, and repairing masonry structures. It provides strength and stability to the structures. In conclusion, mortar is an essential building material that plays a crucial role in construction. Understanding its types and uses can help in selecting the right mortar for your project.